all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Wagwan. How is everyone this afternoon?
Good. Calm before the storm.
Exactly.
Got screwed with this.
Yeah, traders.
Yeah, the dirty move. So this morning, or since yesterday, what appeared on the chart looks like a bear flag. I entered into a sell position based on the top of the bear flag. Now, I don't know how the data is going to be and whether it's going to work out or not, but this is the only thing that we have currently right now before this CPI data release. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking for short opportunities, but of course we don't know what the data is going to be. There is a possibility that price is going to come higher because we have a massive imbalance that needs to be filled, and we don't know what the data print is going to be. But overall, I'm bearish on gold. Maybe we have to wait until the CPI, when the dust settles, and then we can enter into a short position. But I made a risk decision and I entered into a short position. What do you think about CPI today?
I want to be careful with CPI.
All the speculations, even yesterday on Bloomberg, they were talking and some discussions on the expectation is the inflation will be higher. It's not going to be less.
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting as well. And one of the reasons why I'm expecting a higher or in line with expectation data print, because we had the PPI yesterday. Now, we all know that the PPI is another inflation indicator. It's a leading indicator because the PPI represents the producer price index, and that is at the very beginning of the supply chain. So if the producers are increasing prices because they have higher input costs, that means that the end product at the end of the supply chain that you and I buy is going to be higher. Now, yesterday PPI was in line with expectation, was in line with the previous data. The year-on-year PPI was slightly less than the previous one, but still higher than the expectation. The core PPI, which excludes energy and food prices, was in the same as last time, so we still have inflation, quite substantial. And right now there's two different scenarios for gold. The first one, if inflation, well, let's break it down into two parts. So the bears are waiting for high inflation data, and they're going to short it because the Fed was really clear about it that they're going to raise interest rate. Now the bulls are speculating, this is the market sentiment, the bulls are speculating that the next interest rate decision or monetary policy meeting will be in November, so we still have a month. And that means that while the cat is away, the mice will play. So they know that the Fed won't be able to react for a month, and I think they could use this opportunity to keep buying, and maybe they can fill up the imbalance that we had on gold. It's tricky CPI today. Last month it was much easier, we just had to sell gold, but today is a bit trickier. So I'm only using small lots. I already entered into a sell position, but I'm going to reduce the risk by half. So I'm closing down half of the position, and it's done. I'm just going to wait. Let's see whether the market is, you know, buy the news and sell the fact, or is it going to immediately melt because of the bear flag? We don't know yet. So let's just wait. What do you think?
Hello guys, how you doing?
Hello, hello.
Yeah, you're okay? Me, I'm gonna be careful with CPI today. Because, you know, I think that's a big date sort of for the Fed. Like we're gonna see if the previews for the previous months, you know, the very hawkish policy, if it was useful or not. And
Yeah.
I think it's like a crucial moment.
Thomas, I don't see your screen. Is it only me or?
Me, I can see.
Okay, then it's no problem.
Okay, so looking at the pre-market data on the futures market, it's already a little bit greenish. So future market is showing bullish signs, which means that you know, it could open with a spike up. Now the Asian markets have closed in red, mostly because of the chip fears, the semiconductor industry. Who's in a buy, who's in a sell?
I closed. I'm just gonna watch.
I'm selling.
And now we just have to wait. So we have, I think, about 25 minutes, 24 minutes, 23 minutes until the CPI data print. Now it's important to mention that we have many different types of CPI data prints. The two main categories is core CPI and normal CPI. Now we know that core CPI is excluding the energy and food prices, which is the two most volatile assets in the basket that they measure, and the CPI is of course the normal CPI. Now last time core CPI was double than the forecast, hence gold started dropping, even though the CPI was smaller or lower than the previous one. So it was 8.5, reduced to 8.3, I think. Yeah, 8.3. So it was decreasing, showing that inflation is decreasing, but the core CPI, which strips out food and energy, was actually higher. So I think we have to put more emphasis on the core CPI month on month. And looking at US 30 now, US 30, I'm bearish as well, but I'm going to wait, because the last few days we constantly had rallies throughout the New York session, and during the power hour, just before the New York Stock Exchange closing bell, market started to sell off. So if the CPI is extremely high or in line with expectation, I'm going to sell US stocks. If they show weakness, if not, I'm going to wait for the power hour and short in the evening. On gold, I already started shorting, and you know, I'm expecting a further drop. If it breaks out from the bear flag channel, that again, I'm going to wait to fill the imbalance, and then we'll be looking for shorts. And that's it.
So do you have
early today?
Pardon?
I think we had the early, a little bit early today. Wasn't on the news.
I couldn't hear it.
Yeah, your microphone has a problem, I think. Because I can't hear you either. I mean, so it's blurry.
I said, I guess we got a dirty move before the news today.
Okay. I don't know, because the structure, it's still bullish. Like
Yeah,
a sort of a reversal.
On
Yeah,
on
intraday,
which
yeah.
on which pair?
For gold.
Actually, the structure which Thomas is displaying is a corrective structure for more downside.
I mean, on the 1 hour time frame.
I don't think the structure will matter now.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I wish there is just a fundamental, but you know, the fundamentals are bearish and the structure is bullish, and the price is spiking up, and I got surprised. So
It could be just, you know, the dirty move that I was expecting today, even though I felt that there's going to be a dirty move, and I entered into short and closed out 2 position in 1 break even, 1 stop loss. Then the dirty move happened. I was like, okay, this is it. This must be it.
If you look at the daily, it's clearly downward. So I don't know. It's not bullish. You know, it's bearish.
But we have this imbalance right here after the sell-off, and you know.
yeah.
The problem is that, no, actually it's not a problem, but if the daily candle is going to be bullish, then we could have the imbalance to be filled up. Now, fundamentally speaking, I don't see many reasons for long. The only is the bullish market sentiment, which I explained that the speculators, the bull speculators, knows exactly that the Fed meeting is going to be a month away. So maybe they could, you know, capitalize on the time difference, that the Fed won't be able to react immediately to, you know, any CPI data, and they know exactly. That's the only bullish sentiment, or the war with Russia and Ukraine.
I mean, they did it last month. You know, last month they knew the Fed will be here for months. And they already.
Come closer to the mic.
Last month, you know, they knew we would have a month without the Fed, so they had a little rally.
Yeah,
So
the
I
bear
wouldn't be
market rally.
surprised to see another one. Yeah.
I think we have a bear flag on, sorry, a bull flag on the USD index. I posted the chart on the share your charts.
So which means that, you know, USD Japanese yen should continue higher, right?
Mhm.
Bull flag.
Yep, that should be the case. From a technical point of view, purely.
Yeah. I do agree with that. We passed the intervention level.
Before the news gives me more confidence that the USD is gonna go up.
I expect as well. I mean, the intervention level, if you look at the USD Japanese yen, the Japan Bank of Japan intervention level is past now. We speculated on that. It was a nice clear long. We passed it, and the Prime Minister of Japan came out this week, I think 2 days ago, and he said, you know, they are happy with, you know, the weak yen, because they're not planning to, I wouldn't say intervene, but the government said they're fine. So I think that the Bank of Japan is going to take this into consideration. And we have 15 minutes until the CPI data print. What positions do you guys have open?
I closed
Just sell gold.
Gold short.
Short on GU. Gold.
Gold sell, US30 sell.
Nice. I'm gonna be focusing on gold today.
I was in GJ buy.
GJ buy. Ooh.
Close
I'm in a
to
USD buy.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick to gold because it's running in a profit of 60 pips already. Now I lost today about 20 pips with the morning stop loss hit, but that is already been covered. Closed most of the position and I'm just running in 55 pips. So 60 pips already.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, Mr. Don. So I'm gonna lock in some more profit on gold because you know CPI is coming up in 14 minutes, and we don't know what the data print is. So
Look like it will shoot up.
pardon, Oman?
It will shoot up like. The way it's moving, maybe it will touch 1700.
Yeah, it was
it
you
could be.
catching out and made it push up. That's what he's thinking.
Say it again, Brandon.
It was you cashing out that made the gold price jump up.
Yeah, I wish. I'm not a whale. And we have 665 people watching the stream, yet we only have 166 likes. Why no one's giving me love?
Thomas,
I
what do
give
you
you
think?
love.
It's already breakout 1678. Look like we're going to 1700.
Is possible because of the imbalance that I showed you on the chart, but again, it's all going to depend on two things. The first is obviously the CPI data print, which is quantitative. I don't expect inflation to decrease. Based on the PPI data we had yesterday, I'm expecting CPI to be in line with expectation, or you know, slightly lower or higher, but not drastically reduced, which means you know it should be bearish for gold. But the second thing we have to take into or factor in and take into consideration is the market sentiment. As I mentioned, the next rate hike is a month away, which means we could have another bear market rally because the bulls knows exactly that the Fed won't be able to react.
I close all my position in gold. I will wait.
Yeah, I mean, this you know, it's CPI, it's quite volatile, so if you're not, you know, you don't have to trade it.
I'm waiting for your signal, like you will shout, buy, sell.
Yeah. But the thing is that, you know, important thing is that I see even on YouTube some people says it's bullish, you're gonna get stopped out. Maybe, but the most important thing, guys, you have to do your analysis and you have to stick to it. Don't change 1 minute to another because that would be stupid. There are different scenarios. In the long term, I'm waiting for a sell, but of course, there is a possibility the price is going to spike up based on the inflation data that we don't know what is going to be. And this is the reason why I reduced the position drastically, and I'm going to, you know, monitor this bear flag pattern, and I already started selling at the top. If it comes higher, then the worst case scenario, I'm going to be stopped out in break even or in a tiny loss. But I already closed in most of the profits, so there's not much I can lose. And if it goes higher, then I will be just waiting for the sell opportunities within the imbalance zone. Stick to the plan, that's the most important.
There is also a jobless claim in the same time.
Yep. Now the labor market is extremely tight, and I think there's more emphasis on the CPI today.
Hopefully.
So we have 720 people watching the stream, and I'm curious whether we or you guys can pump up the number of likes to 400 today. That's going to be your TP for the day.
I only can like one time. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I did what I have to do.
Thank you so much.
You're absolutely welcome.
And I want to thank you to those people, Brandon, Chintan and Junior, who posted their analysis on CPI today. Because in the morning there was no morning briefing. I didn't post any analysis because I wanted you guys to do some analysis for a change. Now, how was it? What do you think? Was it useful exercise or?
Yeah, it's a good exercise. No.
And also Ricky, you
can
posted
practice after.
analysis as well.
Yeah, after that you're here to correct us, so this is good, you know. Knowledge is better than just knowledge is better.
Yeah, it's better to have your analysis ready rather than blindly following, because you start to use your brain, your deductive logic, and it's gonna take you so much further away than following signals and analysis.
Yeah. By the way, can I ask you if it's not too much personal? When
I'm married,
Alpha
Bilal,
Bay-
and I'm into women.
You know, when the alpha baby is gonna be here, you're gonna be away, I guess. For how long you're gonna leave us?
I don't know. How long does it take to change a diaper? I have no idea. Most likely in the first few days or 1 week or 2 weeks I will be off. I can still make the analysis, but I will be less active with the streams, depending on, it's a new situation. We have a new family member.
Thomas, you can't sleep with the baby.
We'll see. I don't know.
Are you expecting a boy, Thomas?
Yes. A true alpha.
Well, be careful when changing nappies.
Yeah, you have to, Willie should face downward.
It should.
Watch the water fountain.
Yeah, you need to have it pointing downwards, otherwise you could get it in your face.
I know, but
Come
on, let the guy practice aiming.
Yeah, I like to
but
see.
Come on, guys! You always have an extra towel or an extra diaper or something with you, so when you change, you put that over as you pull it down. That way, it doesn't get in your face and it stays where it belongs.
What was that?
Exactly.
You have to.
That's an experienced
diaper
changer.
you soon learn if you get it wrong. Anyway, don't worry about it.
Yeah, once you get a mouthful, you learn real quick.
Exactly.
Oh God!
Let your wife do it. It's the easiest way.
No. You gotta make her happy too.
I have to do it as well.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's something you should share.
So anyway, Thomas, you should tighten the stop loss on the diaper.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I still don't actually know what I don't know what diapers are, but we use nappies in UK.
B says on YouTube, practice aiming. Yeah, but I'm good at it. And gold is dropping now and running in 62 pips of profit.
Just make sure that your wife is holding the camera while you're changing the diaper.
Then we
That's
have about this.
I'm not going to film it. Are you short, Raul, for a change? Are you on my side?
Yeah. I went in with 1681 after I took profit at 68 this morning.
Amazing.
Hey, what's up, Thomas?
Hey, Raim. Mr. Kuroso. How is life?
Good, brother. Tomas, can I have your view on US 30 today? You still think it's gonna
You
drop, right?
can, but US 30 is going to be tricky today. So I think US 30 is a sell. The same setup as gold. We had the dirty move to the upside, and I'm expecting US 30 to move down.
All right, thank you, brother.
5 minutes to go.
Ooh, the number of likes has gone up to 300. Unbelievable. Apologies.
I think
Okay.
JPB, JPY is on a good level of sell.
Let's have a look quickly. We have 3 minutes.
I'm in a sell, human.
It's on a monthly FIBO 61.
On GBP pairs, I'm not confident because there's so much uncertainty around, you know, the tax cuts, the government. I mean, Quasi yesterday, oh my god, that guy, he screwed up the whole bond market by announcing the tax cuts, and now wants to blame the Bank of England, Mr. Bailey, that, you know, if they stop with the bond buys, the bond purchases, then, you know, it's going to be a market turmoil.
Yeah, I mean, you know, his PhD is in historical monetary failure.
Well done. Does he really have historical monetary failures?
Yeah, so he's an expert on monetary failure.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean he has to, you know, put that experience into practice.
Very true. But he's one of these very clever idiots. So
yeah,
he could well do. And we'll see how long Liz Truss lasts. I think they've got a bit of revolving door in number 10.
All right, we have two minutes until the CPI.
They start singing or not yet?
You can start dancing.
Time to say goodnight.
Now, before the CPI data comes out, I want to emphasize that we don't know what the CPI data print is, and currently there's two different theories on the market. Bears are looking for sells if the CPI is too high. Now, the bulls knows exactly that the Fed won't be able to react on anything because the next rate hike is in November, and we could have another false bear market rally. So today CPI trading is difficult, so I do appreciate if, you know, some people say it's a buy, etc., because that's valid as well. Hence I marked two different sell zones on the chart. I'm in a sell because I'm speculating, so I did the macroeconomic analysis based on monetary policy, but technicals gave me a sell entry, and if I have 3 or 4 confirmations, then I entered into a sell. If it goes higher, then I will be just waiting out and looking for sells at a higher price level. But if you're new to trading or not confident, there's no problem if you don't trade. Just watch the data, enjoy the discussion, and just learn. The most important, whether you buy or sell, just stick to your analysis. And we have 24 seconds.
Countdown begins. Before that, I'm drinking water.
Yeah, it's
Oh
water.
yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I'm on buy on
4,
USD, Swiss franc,
5,
USD,
3,
Canadian.
2, 1, and the CPI data is out. So when gold started dropping, ooh, it's a very nice. I'm moving my stop loss into
lovely.
break even.
Oh,
How
lovely.
nice is that? Lock
Oh,
in some
lovely.
profits. It's 272 pips in profit.
God.
Oh, lovely.
The damn MetaTrader is again crashed. Come on.
So CPI data print 8.2, we still have inflation, and the core CPI is high, it's 0.6. So, ladies and gentlemen, today's trade was quite easy, wasn't it?
Great one.
Smashed
Amazing.
it, US 30.
Checking right now. Oh my god, shit. I didn't trade US 30, unfortunately, but I'm still.
Smashed
Gold
the
looks
US
like it
30
froze
is
down.
doing great.
I did,
Well done.
and you won't believe how much I
Thomas,
did.
check GBP, JPY. It started moving with gold down.
Euro USD, amazing.
Come on, guys. I understand, but I can't switch between charts that fast. So the gold trade is running in 242 pips of profit.
Swiss franc, oh my god, 100 USD profit.
Make sure that you lock in some, profit.
I already did.
How nice is that?
Lovely.
Awesome.
Lovely, just lovely.
Lovely.
Did you double your money today with the Alpha FX?
Oh,
Not double, but profit definitely.
I think my trading view just froze down.
yeah, mine too.
I think it depends on which broker you're using. I'm using FX Open and it's still running.
And 5% officially achieved.
Congratulations! Wow, wow, wow!
Congratulations and celebrations.
Exactly 999.23. What a number.
Well done.
Yeah.
Trading view just completely froze down.
Yeah, everything actually went into a complete sudden death.
I'm going to, even my MetaTrader is froze down. No, it's alive. So I'm going to lock in half of the position. Going to book some profit.
Position is locked. Everything is locked.
I already did, but 53.
Out of the position, only, half a lot is running. USD Japanese yen. Oh my god, look at that.
Okay, guys, I need to go grocery shopping. See you tomorrow.
Oh my god.
See you, Bilal.
I need to
Japanese.
grocery shopping.
Bye, Bilal.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Is only my trading view that froze
Your
down?
AD hits the sky.
Ah, well, easy life, isn't it?
Life sucks.
Yeah.
Thomas, I'm sorry, but I bought again.
What? Why are you sorry?
Because you didn't.
I what?
You didn't. You were selling, I saw the spike going down, and I closed before I didn't catch the trade.
But you closed in
And I
profits,
was
right?
A little. Yeah, I did. But now I bought at 53, and now he's like 61.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You make profit either way.
Let's see, rose a little bit more.
Guys, is your trading view frozen down?
Yeah, it is. It is.
No.
Too slow.
Yes, mine too.
Yeah, mine too. Frozen.
Trading view is working okay.
On mine, it's
Look
frozen
at
down.
that,
I mean,
it's working.
I love the view. I mean, it's looking pretty and nice, but it's frozen
It
down.
wouldn't let me take profit.
It's down.
US 30 looks pretty good too.
So is the spike over or still gonna spike more?
Downwards.
I think we are going to 1600.
The MetaTrader froze down. Oh my god, US 30 is just insane.
I closed my position by mistake, by the way, because of the MetaTrader close.
Oh, yeah, short, guys. Everyone.
CPI hammered down gold so much. The trading view is failing to catch up. It's running in 265 pips of profit, 63. You can double your money with the Alpha FX. Trust me, brother.
I'll be sharing the result on the result screen.
Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you, Thomas. It's all you.
Thank you very much, Thomas. Thank you very much.
Thomas, I'm gonna post you that blue flag. Please have a look at that chart.
Ali, it's really windy. It's
Thomas,
difficult to hear.
you.
I'm so sorry. I'm in an open place.
You're welcome, guys.
Just check the bull flag chart if you can.
Yeah, it's right at the bottom. So that's Ali's chart, and showing that price has came down to the bottom of the bull flag.
Yeah, check it now, please. I just posted a new one.
Oh, the dollar index. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's insane.
Yeah, it works like a magic, man, this chart.
Yeah, I love the channels. Dialogue Styles on YouTube says that Alpha, thank you so much, sir. You saved my trading account. Thank you so much. You're welcome, guys. And you wish to receive, if you wish to receive daily analysis, I restarted the flash sale. I topped up the membership, so there's 10 more memberships available. If you would like to join the Alpha FX community, use the 50% discount. What do you get? Daily morning briefings, fundamental and macro analysis, translated into technical setups and trading. And if you guys want to say any comments about how do you like being with the Alpha FX, please do now.
Nah.
Ah.
Nah.
We can't promise that Raul won't be telling you 18 plus jokes.
I can't promise myself.
And send some nice pictures and gifs.
I sent nice pictures.
Yeah, of course.
I sent only pictures of charts. I don't dare.
Naked charts.
Naked
Yeah,
charts
no,
or naked?
indicators. Just be specific.
Quite specific charts.
Precise.
All right, guys. I gotta make it home before my wife kicks my ass. I gotta go. Thank you so much, everyone.
See you, Ali. Congrats.
See you, Ali.
Someone has nothing to say at home.
Have a safe ass.
Bye-bye.
What's happening with my trading view? It's completely froze down.
Oh, mine too. Mine too.
I think it
US
crashed.
30 is moving, but gold
there's
is gold crashed. I think because too many alphas were selling, and it was too aggressive for trading view or the gold market.
Moving. A little, yeah.
Who made money today?
Si, senor.
Thank you, Thomas.
I did.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
You can double your money with the Alpha effects.
Thank you so
Inshallah.
much.
No, it was you guys. You traded. It wasn't me.
What's it me? Uh-huh.
I just draw lines and talk about macroeconomics.
You're in a good mood, Raoul. How was your day?
I don't want to say that.
Okay, fine.
You mean at work or trading?
No, work.
Oh,
Stavros is asking, is it too late now to open a sell and position in gold? Yeah, I wouldn't open a sell. Absolutely.
No.
Peter Schmulz tripled his balance. Well, now you can triple your money with the Alpha FX.
You see, not double only. That's a proof.
Indeed.
Entering sell now is suicide.
Yeah.
Indeed. We still have the New York Stock Exchange open, so be careful.
Unless you want to give the money back to the market, that's another issue.
In that case, welcome.
And then sing the song "Easy Come, Easy Go."
Who's coming on my live stream?
What's it me?
273 pips. I mean, there's literally not much to do, guys. We just see the profit that we made. Easy life.
Amazing.
Oh, easy life. I think I should have a day off tomorrow. I think I deserve it. What do you think?
Guys, say something. The guy asking for a leave.
Mm-mm-mm. 275 pips and counting. I mean, yeah, we lost. I lost 20 pips in gold this morning, but I think it's been recovered.
Was that the trade from yesterday?
That was closed out in break even and in stop loss.
Thomas, why is your gold at 66 and mine MetaView is on 53.54?
Yeah.
I think the market is messed up. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Thomas, I have a question.
Go on.
So on my MetaView, it's just bounced back from 53.30. So it hit take profit.
Oh yeah, my my trading view is frozen down, but my MetaTrader is at 1654 right now. But guys, I think my job is done for today because, you know, we tripled accounts today. It was an easy sell. We made 270 pips on one single trade. So I think I'm going to call it a day.
Easy money, triple that.
Thomas, can I ask you a quick question?
Go on.
How do you calculate your potential profits when you
How do I calculate profits?
I mean, how do you set your profit target? Is it just speculative, or do you use some kind of formula?
No. Have you watched the videos on the website where I explain? You can use the Fibonacci for profit taking. Rule of thumb is that, you know, profit should be taken at the previous low or high. Then you can use the Fibonacci or even the pivot levels. So be systematic. Always have predefined target levels, or if you go for the money, if you have a set target, then use that, or just use the chart. previous highs, previous lows, fib levels, key resistance and support levels.
Okay. It's just a kind of a positive question because I always leave a lot of money on the table. I always set a target, but it seems like it always exceeds it. But
yeah,
I appreciate all your help. You did a good job.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Most important is always take partial profits because you don't know what's coming next on the market. Don't leave money on the table. And currently gold is running at 300 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen, in one single trade. Unbelievable.
Once again, thank you very much, Thomas.
You're very welcome.
How
And
deep
see you all.
gold can go tonight?
Yeah, tomorrow is the end of the bond purchasing of the Bank of England, so it's going to be a volatile market. I'm not planning to trade tomorrow, so I'm going to take a day off tomorrow, if you approve it.
Yes.
Thank you, Gio.
Oh,
Ask
yes,
Sophie,
definitely, most definitely.
Sophie should approve.
Thank you. But I don't know where is Sophie. See you all guys on Monday or next week, and I wish you everyone a relaxing weekend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Thomas. Take care. Appreciate it.
Namaste.
Great job.
Bye bye.
Bye.
People of YouTube, well, what can I say? We made 344 pips on one single trade and it's still running. It's time to take some partials if you haven't already, but you know, it was an easy trade. Thank you so much for the macroeconomic analysis I delivered and the technicals. Of course, it was, you know, a bit of luck as well. But if you wish to receive daily analysis, macroeconomics, where I translate, you know, what's happening in the world with fundamentals, macroeconomics, I have 10 memberships available to join. I do morning briefings every single day where I explain, you know, macroeconomics, fundamentals, financial markets, and then translate the macroeconomics into trading strategy and translate it into a viable and useful, you know, technical analysis, because technicals, they do work, but they cannot work without the macroeconomics. So I teach economics. I was a full-time trader. I learned economics at university. I worked in financial markets. So if you wish to join the Alpha community, go to the Alpha FX website. I'm posting the link into the YouTube chat right now. There's only 10 memberships available, so once it's gone, I'm going to close down for a month. Use the discount. It's your discount if you wish to join, see my trades, and get analysis. And then, yeah, thank you so much, guys, and see you all next week. This is the Alpha FX. You wanna put Monica?